Welcome to the weekly recommendation program. This is a program which I will be starting today and will be telecasted every Sunday. So here I will be suggesting some of the stocks which you can trade for the coming week. I have a strong disclaimer. I don't trade in any of the stocks which I have recommended here because I am an options trader. Most of my trades are in indices. I got lot of feedback from people and they told me that options trading requires a minimum capital which not many retailers can afford. So in order to help people who want to get into stock market and who want to enjoy the benefit of stock market, I came out with this program and I will be recommending stocks. Again, I am not a SEBI registered advisor, so do consult your financial advisor before you take any action on this recommendation. This video is purely for educational purpose. My first recommendation is a buy on HDFC Bank. Okay, so let me go to the chart. So here you can see that HDFC Bank was falling, and yesterday when Bank Nifty shot up, it has shot up and broken the trend. So let's see what is the trend that was there and what got broken. So here you can see that this is a clean downtrend which was there in HDFC Bank. Okay, so this was a channel. Then day before yesterday it broke and there was no follow through after that. But yesterday again when Bank Nifty shot up after SBI results, we can see that HDFC Bank is going up. So very soon this trend, you can expect this trend to continue, and I am recommending a buy of HDFC Bank around 1500 rupees. And for this week you can expect HDFC Bank to go around this level, which is approximately 1530 to 1545. Okay, so 1530 is the target which you can expect. Now the stop loss for this is nothing but this candle. Okay, the stop loss is if HDFC Bank breaks 1445 or 1440, that should be considered as a stop loss. My next recommendation is SBI. So here you can see that SBI is in a trend, and on Friday we had SBI results which was fantastic. After SBI results came, SBI shot up more than 3-4%, and not only that, it has changed the sentiment of Bank Nifty. Okay, when SBI results were announced, Bank Nifty shot up, HDFC, Axis Bank, all banks shot up, and Bank Nifty gained more than 1000 points. So this is a very strong buy. So I am recommending SBI to reach a range of approximately 410. So Monday when SBI opens, one can initiate a long trade in SBI and expect a target of 410. The stop loss is again this candle where the low was approximately 389. So for people who have more risk appetite, they can use this trend line as the stop loss. So once this trend line is being broken, you can close your trade. Okay, so I am recommending a buy on SBI with a target of 410 for the coming week. My next recommendation is Asian Paints. So you can see that Asian Paint has formed a cup and a saucer pattern. So let me just show that for you. Okay. So if you take this point, so you can see that there is been a cup handle, and after that it has shot. Okay. This is a very simple pattern which Asian Paint has done. So recently we had its earnings, and its earnings were very good. When the results came, Asian Paint shot up. We had a very good follow through after shooting up of Asian Paint. So I am recommending Asian Paints to be bought at 2832. You can expect a target of approximately 2870 to 2880. And the stop loss is this point. Okay. So if there is a closing below this horizontal line, let me just draw that here. So if Asian Paint goes below this horizontal line, then probably that can be considered as a stop loss to exit the trade. My next recommendation is Bharti Airtel. So you might be wondering that I have only long trades and I don't have short trades. So for me, Bharti Airtel is a short. Why? You can see that it was almost forming a cup and a saucer handle, but it did not form, and the cup and saucer handle has been broken. So Bharti Airtel might be in pressure, and you can see that Bharti Airtel can fall even further. For this week, I am initiating a short trade on Bharti Airtel. So for people who are trading in futures, can go short in Bharti Airtel futures. And for people who are trading in equity, you cannot sell Bharti Airtel in case you don't have. But in case if you have holdings in Bharti Airtel, you can sell that stock and buy when it has fallen even more. So for this week on the spot, I am expecting Bharti Airtel to go from 530 to approximately 510. Okay. So that is my target, and my stop loss is this EMN 9. So if it goes beyond 540 or 550, it can be considered as a stop loss. So these are the 4 recommendations which I have given. We had a massive rally in our market on Friday, but after market closed, when the US markets opened, SGX has fallen approximately 100 points. So don't initiate these trades at open on Monday. So see how markets are going to open. So wait for probably 1 hour, and if the first hour high is being taken out, then probably you can initiate these trades. So this will help you in making some money by trading in stock. So all the details will be documented in an Excel and will be shared in my website, which is www.niftynayak.com. So do like and follow my channel so that you can learn a lot about trading and investment. Thank you for watching.